WDNO Radio, broadcasting live to, well, everywhere. And now, here's all the news that is new news. For all of you adventuring near the Discovery River, hello! What was it? Oh yeah! Be on the lookout for your pal, Pluto! Quest to tell all, which includes you, hello, about the fabulous fun of Donald's Dino Bash, located in the happening hotspot of all things dinosaur related, Dinoland, USA.
Oh boy!
Give them a dino-sized cheer, and then set a course to Dinoland, USA, and Donald's Dino Bash.
It's Pocahontas.
What's the raccoon's name?
Charles.
Meeko? Meeko?
That's not Donald.
That doesn't look like Scrooge. I don't even see money coming out of his pocket. Alright, well, 1, 2, 3 real Pocahontas, and then 1, 2, 3 real Meeko.
Okay.
So look up there. I don't care. I don't care. We just like to be nice. Yep.
Wait till they're closer, though.
Yeah.
We don't want to do it more than once. No, not yet. There's what? They still have those other people to share it.
Meeko!
Meeko! Pocahontas! Wait, are you sure it's not Scrooge? It looks duck-like. Wait, I think it's Scrooge and Launchpad.
How about on the count of 3 we say DuckTales move?
No, we should say money.
Money.
And then Scrooge will look up. Alright?
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Get in here.
I didn't. I did nothing.
It doesn't seem to be a little confusing swimming in it.
Hubert, Dupert, and Llewellyn.
Adventurous way to celebrate the holidays.
And that's the chipmunk. Oh, wait. No, April, May, and June. April, May, and June. Oh, is that true?
Yeah, but they're kind of forgotten about. Alright, we're all gonna say money.
Why don't you get video and I'll get pictures?
You like to get a video.
Look who's dashing down the Discovery River. It's billionaire adventurer Scrooge, McDuck, and his faithful travel companion, Launchpad, McQuack. The holly jolly duo, safe, quick as a flash, all the way from Duckburg to experience the raging current and erupting geysers of the legendary Kali River Rapids.
Let's do Launchpad.
Since Launchpad lost their map
Launchpad!
a holiday miracle if they actually find their way.
Launchpad! Scrooge! Work smarter, not harder.
Money, money!
They saved the best for last.
Here.
Oh, what is that? How cool.
Yeah, little skinny.
It's like a boat.
Somebody's got to fatten it up.
Hello there, how are you?
You got a speaker?
Merry Christmas! I
Hi guys, hello everyone. Hello there.
Merry Christmas, Santa!
Hello there. It's so great seeing you guys.